It is very heavy and deep foggy today, like this. So visibility is so low, but I will climb up to the Palbongsan mountain today through this uphill road, very steep uphill road under the foggy condition. This is the difference between the summer season when I was here last time and now we are just entering into the winter season. This is the difference. I'm now standing in the junction between the easy way or hard way to going up to the peak number 1 through the very rocky road like this. So I'll take a rocky road like this way. I will coming up to the peak. I'm now approaching to the peak number 1 of this. This is the peak number 1 monument and unknown stone tower here. But very unfortunately, I couldn't see anything around like this way. Nothing. This is the typical weather or climate condition in Korea when the season is changing from the fall to going into the winter. This is like this. Around the temperature is 0 Celsius degree, and every day almost foggy like that. I'm standing again at the junction where I can go to the peak number 2 through the right way or take a bypass road and connecting to the peak number 3 without going up to the peak number 2. That is a left way. But I will take a right way through this peak. This is the 7 one of the gods who are living in the sky, controlling the 7 stars. This is the peak number 3, but I couldn't see anything because of the deep and heavy foggy around the peak area. This is the peak number 4, and this is the one of the cave, so-called they call baby delivery cave. Now I'm proceeding to the 5 and 6 peak down below. This is the way down, but there is no sign or to anything. I can see the foggy is cleared or less today. No change at all. This is the peak number 5, which looks very tiny, too small. And This is the view of a foggy landscape at the peak number 5. This is the way or stairs going up to the peak number 6. Very sharply sloped. Here is a landmark, or they say in the left side. We'll go to peak number 6. This is the peak number 6. Situating on top of the rock, very high sloped rock, like this. So what they call 288 meter altitude. This is the peak number 7, and this is the view of the some peak. So far I took over from the peak number 4 and 5 through this ridge road, very steep ridge road. Now I left over the last peak number 8. I have to get through this narrow path down here to this way, this direction. This is the last peak. Peak number 8 is here, but I couldn't see any improvement or something change of the foggy condition around this mountain, Palbongsan, today. Almost nothing changed. But it looks a little bit better. Looks like that. So I have to come down through this way. And as you can look down here in the that is Hongcheon River, Hongcheongang. I will get down there and walking alongside the Hongcheon River and back to the ticket booth. Now I almost back to the Hongcheon River, and from the junctioning or to connecting point with the Hongcheon River, I will walk up to this bridge. On the right side there is a ticket booth where I parked the car nearby. This is the Palbongsan Mountain tourist complex area. This is one of the country road connecting to the Palbongsan mountain. This is the view of the Palbongsan mountain peak. There are 8 peaks from here to the last one, peak number 8, and 7, 6, 5, 4, 1 furthermore there. If it's a good find today, it looks very beautiful this is the Hongcheon River.